What's going down, people? I'm back with another episode of the Make Money Maker Videos podcast with Tom. We're talking about how to get started shooting music videos. This will be very cool for a specific audience, people who want to get cracking with starting to shoot music videos. If you didn't know, that was pretty much the main type of videography that I properly started with. I started a rap channel called TQ9 TV back in the day with my friends, and we just popped up on every possible rapper in our city and the cities around us and shot them a music video. And, it's a big part of my history. So this one's pretty close to my heart. I'm still in London. I didn't bring my goddamn shaving kit because I didn't know I'd be staying for this long. So it's Mustache Murray out here. If you didn't know, my middle name is Murray, Jack Murray Cole. Mustache Murray in the building. Enjoy the clip. Have a nice day. And I'm about to go view another flat. See you later. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast. But what's your advice to somebody starting today? Or maybe they've just gotten started, they've done a couple free projects or something, they want to turn this into a paid thing. What's your advice to them from, your perspective?
In terms of just starting out with equipment or with nothing?
Starting out today with equipment, with whatever. Say they want to get into it, they want to get into the field. Maybe some of them have equipment, some of them don't, whatever the case may be. They want to get started, even shooting music videos specifically.
Yeah. Always text around your mates and everything, because every area has their specific group of rappers, and if you text one of your mates, they're going to know one of the rappers, and that rapper's going to know the rest of the group, and then the rest of the group's going to know the ops of that group, who's going to have another group of rappers. And then you've got there's 100 people you can shoot for already.
Couldn't agree more. That's exactly how it worked down here. 100%.
Always text your mates, see who they know, and then be like, yo, can you put in a good word for me? This guy's like, oh yeah, do you want a video shooting? Yeah, do you know someone? Yeah, this guy Tom, he's brilliant. One way I got into it, I text this guy, I was like, yo, can I do this video for you for free?
Yeah.
And then he was like, I'm not sure if we want a video for this song yet. And then he was with his mate that I go to college with, and he goes, yeah, we'll call him Pete for now, but his name's James, but we'll call him Pete.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yo, Pete, it's Tom, and he good at videos. Yeah, I've seen his videos. He's pretty good, yeah. All right then, text me back. Yeah, we do want a music video for this song.
Yeah.
All right then, cool. Yeah, and then turns out I got paid for it anyway, because they were like, we know you're gonna work better if we pay you anyway, so might as well pay you for it.
Yeah. 100%.
So I asked for a free video, I got paid for it, and that could work. Honestly, people are gonna they want it cheap as anything, but if you're going in asking for something free, inevitably they're going to realise you're not going to do as much work as if they give you 20, 30 quid. So they'll pay you anyway.
They throw you something, but that's the thing. The people who are more serious about their craft, they want to pay because they, not only value their time, which means they would want to be getting paid for some shit, but also they understand that, professionals need to get paid. You're not going to have fucking some top tier director come in and shoot the shit for free. It's just not going to happen, right?
It's not like Quentin Tarantino's walking down the street. Yo, can you do this video for free?
Oh, for free? Yeah. Of course. Oh, for sure. Yeah.
It sounds like a good video.
Yeah, exactly, man. Seriously, it's completely.
That's not how it works.
Nah, not at all, man. Seriously, I think that's fucking interesting, right? Just kind of throw yourself. Would you say just throw yourself at shit, right? And
when you see an opportunity, just be like, "That's mine." I see people posting all the time. Yo, anyone, do videos and shit. I'm like, I'm your guy.
Yep.
To gas myself up, but I'm the man.
Amen.
And then they're like, "Yo, can you do this editing style?" I am your man. I can do this editing style. I can do this for you.
Yep.
When you're free, and then all of a sudden I've got a client and they're paying me, and it's like you've got to look around. If you don't know anyone, if you literally have no friends and you don't know anyone in the rap game, just go on Facebook, see if you can see anything in the local area of music events stuff. Go there. I've met rappers at stuff. I went to see my mate perform a drum solo or something, and I met this rapper there, and I've been in talks with him, and I'm doing a freestyle with him next week. And you can meet people literally anywhere. There's everyone's about nowadays.
Yeah. You just gotta go out there. You just gotta put yourself in the position, man. Opportunity comes to those who create it, right? If you guys want to do something, watch it, right? No one gives a fuck about you. They're not going to come put you on, right? You got to put yourself on by throwing yourself at shit, seriously. And I was able to get loads of stuff popping with rappers around here, and I'm in the fucking countryside. You know what I mean? Like, you know, for anybody tuning into this, man, literally, like, shout out to my boy Invade King. He's a producer, a little young legend, right? He's on the Isle of Man. He's having a struggle finding some rappers out there.
The Isle of Man.
Yeah, so if you're in a pop place like that, it might be tough, but you could still find somebody.
If that guy can do it, you haven't got an excuse anymore. Like,
Facts.
if you're living anywhere else, you haven't got an excuse.
That's a fact, exactly. So it's like, if you're living on the Isle of Man and you're struggling, it's understandable. I still think, shout out to Invade King, so I probably know you're watching this, right? Shout out to you, legend, young legend, fucking 13-year-old producer, killing the game, making sick beats.
Oh, man.
Yeah, and he's trying to find fucking rappers, and he's on the Isle of Man. And that's tough. You're right. The Isle of Man isn't a very tough spot, man. It's not a very fucking populated spot for rappers. I'm sure still, bro, there's somebody, maybe you have to start making folk music videos or something like that. Maybe you have to, you know, do some different genres first. You got to work your way up to rapper or something. But at the end of the day, man, you know, that's where I guess you could be struggling.